found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about.
All right, y'all, so right here, as you can see, I was putting on the dye and I didn't wet the t-shirt first. So don't make that mistake. Before you put the dye on, wet your shirt.
Yeah, yeah, oh, oh. Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Oh, oh.
this is the point where I knew I messed up, right? So this shirt right here, right? This is my favorite shirt that I think I did. But I was so excited to dye the shirt that I forgot to film it. You know, I'm a little slow, but I'm not slow. So here's what I did. After I bleached the shirt and it was wet, I just squeezed the excess water out of it. And then I took the tie-dye bottle and I squirted the dye on like the spots, you know, the spots that I wanted it to be on, so it could kind of have like this gradient effect, so that like the blue could match like the blue in the picture, or the green, and the orange could match the orange of the letters. So that's what I did for that step. You literally take the dye bottle and pour it on the spots. And you know what? I would suggest putting a piece of flat cardboard in between the t-shirt so that the color doesn't seep through, because I didn't do that because honestly I was so lazy. The process took so long. So as you can see, like in some spots it seeped through to the back. So yeah, just put a cardboard in the middle. That way the dye goes exactly where you want it to go. All right, thank you. So for the basic tie-dye, guys, I washed it with cold water until most of the color came out, and then I sealed it with hot water, and then I went ahead and put it in the dryer until it was dry. And then for the reverse tie-dye, I went ahead and washed out most of the dye on there after I let it sit and dye for a few hours with cold water, and then I sealed it with the hot water, wash that out with the hot water. Then I put it in the dryer, and that's it. So one other suggestion is, if you're doing multiple shirts, if you're doing the basic tie-dye, don't dry all of the shirts together if they're separate colors, because then the colors might bleed onto each other. But that's all. Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to see anything else, just leave it below in the comment section. Bye.